Welcome to Timberlost. This neighborhood is a hidden gem located on the City of McCall golf course. It has stunning mountain views and views of the golf course. Let's go check it out. Although most of the land has been taken in the Timberlost subdivision, there are still some available buildable lots. The roads through the neighborhood are paved and maintained by the City of McCall. They're on city water and city sewer. So this neighborhood is a little bit different than the other neighborhoods that are on the golf course because it lines several different areas of the course, which gives you lots of different views. You can have views facing over the east, to the north, or south when you're looking in Timberlost. If you're looking for an investment opportunity, you'll be pleased to know that Timberlost does allow for vacation rentals. This means that you can rent your home out and earn passive income. The City of McCall is a great place to live, work, and play. It's no wonder it was ranked #1 and one of the best mountain communities to live in. With its natural beauty and outdoor recreation, you'll never run out of things to do. So Timberlost is located on one of the City of McCall golf courses, the Aspen course. This course is a 9-hole regulation course and is one of the oldest golf courses in the City of McCall. The length of the course spans 3,148 yards and has a par of 35. It's no wonder it's a favorite amongst golfers, including Seattle Slew, who gave it a 5-star review, calling McCall a hidden gem. So now we're out here at Golden Glove Park. It's a park that's located right next to the Timberlost communities, and there's a playground out here. They also ice the baseball fields in the winter and set up a free-to-use outdoor ice skating rink. Also, if you keep walking straight down this road, you'll run into Davis, and it's just a short walk to Davis Beach, which is also a public beach that has a few different boat parking spots if you come from the lakeside. So if you wanted to ride around the lake, park your boat temporarily at the Davis dock, you might be able to run home if you forgot something and then go right back to your boat. So this neighborhood is very conveniently located on the City of McCall golf course, close to the beach and close to the parks. So if you're looking for a neighborhood that's on the City of McCall golf course, a great investment opportunity with stunning views, close to everything, you're definitely going to want to check out Timberlost. If you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy a video about this neighborhood as well.